Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pakistani vegetable soup. This easy method brings authentic flavors to your kitchen. We'll start by selecting fresh, vibrant vegetables, ensuring a delicious and nutritious meal. Then, we'll gather essential spices that give this soup its unique Pakistani taste. Get ready to create a comforting and wholesome dish that's perfect for any occasion. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions and garlic in a pot until they turn a lovely golden brown and release their aroma. Next, add your prepared vegetables, stirring them well to coat. Pour in the vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat. Let it simmer gently until all the vegetables are perfectly tender, absorbing all those wonderful flavors. To perfect your Pakistani vegetable soup, it's all about the seasoning. Adjust the salt and pepper to your liking, and don't forget a pinch of garam masala for that authentic warmth. Before serving, sprinkle generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. It adds a beautiful aroma and vibrant color. Serve your delicious soup piping hot, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for an extra zing. Enjoy! This easy Pakistani vegetable soup is not only delicious, but also versatile. It's fantastic for meal prepping throughout the week, and any leftovers freeze beautifully for a quick future meal. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables or add a touch of green chili for extra heat if you like. Remember to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.